sounds like at first. I don't know what's going on. Go ahead and put it close to the engine. Hey, take your ass in the house. Go in the house, Louis.
Get it.
Go in the house.
Get it.
Go.
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 Come on, Louis.
Go.
Go in the house.
Go in the house, Louis. Go.
Louis, get in the house.
Go to the fucking house, Louis.
Go inside. Louis, get in there. Go in there. Yeah.
Alright, so that's the problem I'm having when it starts. Then the inside, the lights work. I'm not sure if the radio works. I haven't even tried it. It doesn't seem to be working. The lights come on, they're a little dim. They look dim. I don't know if it's because of the light. This is what's going on with the dashboard. It's a loud clicking noise. Need help diagnosing this.